Most coaches believed that they need a big following, a paid ad budget, or a fancy funnel to get their first premium client. I believed that too, until the moment I had nothing left to believe in. I had no savings, no safety net. I had literally sold my house to pay my employees during COVID. And sitting in that empty space, I got my first high ticket client. No ads, no followers, no website. And in the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how you can replicate this starting today. My name is Alok, and I have been an entrepreneur for the last 16 years. I have a PGDBA from Emeritus Institute of Management, Singapore. I have built businesses, lost everything, and rebuilt from scratch more than once. But none of that prepared me for COVID. Yes, my business collapsed almost overnight, revenue went to zero, and I had employees depending on me. And I made a decision that most people thought it was crazy. Yes, I sold my house to keep paying them. I'm not telling you this just to impress you. I'm telling you that because what came next, the system I built to come back from that. And this is what I now teach my coaches, my mentees all over the world. And this is called the coaching X. Yes. And the first thing that the system taught me is that premium clients don't come from ads, they come from trust. And the trust comes from this. Yes, trust comes from the person itself. So here is the single biggest mistake I see mostly coaches make when they try to get their high ticket clients. They lead with their offer. They post like I'm a life coach, DM me for a consultation. They pitch in the very first message. They sell before they serve. And that's the biggest mistake. And then they wonder why nobody is buying. Here is the truth that changed everything for me. Premium clients, people who pay 50,000, 1 lakh, or even 5 lakhs for coaching, they are not here to buy your services. They are buying their future. They are buying certainty. And before they buy their future from you, obviously they need to believe three things. One, that you understand their problem better than they do. Two, that you have been where they are and come out the other side. And number three, you have a specific path that will get them there. As simple as that. Everybody is concerned about what's in it for them. So that's it. That's the whole game. So the question is not how do I sell my coaching? The question is how do I make someone believe those three things about me? So let me show you. I call this the three trust triggers. And it's the foundation of how I got my first premium client with zero ad spend and how I teach my clients to do the same. So, the three triggers I'm going to explain now. Trust trigger one, speak their problem out loud. So, it's not a version of the problem, their exact problem which is going inside their minds, right? So, the one they haven't told anyone because it feels embarrassing, something like that. For coaches, it usually sounds like, I know I'm good at what I'm doing, yes, but I don't know how to get clients who will pay me what I'm worth. And I'm starting to wonder if I'm the problem. People literally sabotage themselves. They get into inferiority because of all this. And when you say that out loud in a post, in a video, in a DM, and someone reads it and thinks, how does this person know exactly what's in my head? And the moment it happens, you have their attention. This is trust trigger number one. Trust trigger number two, show the scare, not the trophy. So anyone can show results, screenshots, testimonials, revenue numbers, and blah, blah, blah. But premium clients, they are the serious ones. They are not moved by your highlighted reel, they are moved by your stories. Yes, the moment I share that I sold my house during COVID, not as a pity story, but as a turning point, something shifts in the room or in the comments or in the DMs because it tells them this person, this individual person has been through something real and they come back, right? Which means their advice isn't theory. So your scare is the most powerful selling tool. Use it. And in other words, I can say your mess is the message. You have to talk around it. Now, trust number three, give the roadmap. Before anyone pays you, give them a piece of the map for free. Not everything, just enough for them to make one meaningful move and feel the results. This is what I'm gonna do right now in this video. So when someone watches this and thinks, I just understood something about client acquisition that I didn't stand 10 minutes ago, there are one step closer to waiting to work with me. The free value is the sales strategy. Speak their problem, show your scare, give the roadmap. This is how you get premium clients without ads. Now, let me make this concrete with exactly what I did. When I came back after COVID, I had no platform, no paid subscribers, nothing. What I had was absolute clarity. So I knew exactly who I wanted to help. Coaches, smart people with real expertise who couldn't figure out why clients weren't coming. So I started showing up online with one message consistently every single day. I wasn't selling, I was speaking their problem out loud. I wrote posts about what it feels like to be a coach with zero leads, about the embarrassment of charging low when you know you are worth more. And I also started talking about the exhaustion of chasing clients who don't value you. And then in every post, I gave one small piece of the map. Within weeks, I had people sliding into my DMs, not asking how much does this cost, asking, can you help me? That is the difference. So when trust trigger 1 and 2 are working, the sale conversation starts with the client already convinced. You just have to close. And closing? Yes, that's a whole another video. But here is what I'll tell you now. When someone asks you, can you help me? Instead of how much is it? Your closing rate goes through the roof. So here is your homework from this video. Three things. Do them today itself. One, write down your scare, the real one, the moment that changed everything for you. You don't have to post it yet. Just write it down and keep it in your diary. Number two, write one sentence that describes your ideal client's most embarrassing problem. The one they haven't said it out loud yet. That sentence becomes your next post, your next video hook, your next DM opener. And number three, give something away for free this week. A tip, a framework, a short video, something that gives your ideal clients one meaningful move they can make today. So do these three things and you will have more conversations and potential premium clients this week than most coaches have in a month. That is the promise of the Coaching X system. Yes. So if this video gave you even one shift in how you think about getting clients, share it with one coach you know who needs to hear this. Subscribe to this channel. I post every Monday and Thursday. Every single video is built around one goal, helping you get the premium clients you deserve without spending a single rupee on ads. And if you want to go deeper, if you want my personal guidance on building the system inside your coaching business, the link is in the description. No pressure, just an open door. I'll see you in the next video.